This doesn't fit no more. Ah! Don't hit my car, you stupid bitch!
Ratchet, can we get that? Can we get, oh, is this a four-seater?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have that one bang device that you were gonna give me?
Oh, I haven't even readied up, bro. It's been so crazy today.
There's a bang device in the glove box.
Alright, listen.
Thank you.
So, I gotta kidnap a CG member and hold him for ransom to make money.
Let's do it.
Get my
Now.
cuffs.
Oh, we're gonna go to war with CG man when Marty's not around?
They already shot me!
Let's fucking.
That's true, you could get it back.
Oh shit! Oh
Yo, what's
shit!
up, motherfucker?
Oh shit!
Shoot our tires, bro.
Motherfucker. Hey, why you want to shoot my boy, motherfucker?
Holy
got his
shit,
tires!
it's going down!
I got his tires! Hey, I shot your tires!
I'm a civilian! I'm a civilian! Don't shoot!
Ah, you dare me not to shoot the tires! I got the tires, bitch! I got the tires.
Oh, I didn't even get a chance to fight.
Oh, they didn't even pop! Fuck!
Alright, back to the hospital they go, guys.
Ah,
Back to the hospital, boys. Back to the hospital.
just take the car.
I'm gonna put you in a fucking hospital, motherfucker.
Ah.
Put them in the other seat, Hutch, and then just take their car there.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Crackhead.
Ah, you dare me to shoot the
Boy,
tire at
that's our
this?
boy Jehovah.
I'm gangsta.
Show me keys.
Hey, you look so goofy in this one.
Yo, throw me, Taco.
Police here.
Ah.
Take pictures of you, Hutch.
Take it. Yo, you got your mask on, bro?
Look at the way he just flipped it.
What's up, baby?
Ow.
Okay, I'm coming.
It fits.
With all due respect, I have a question for you, Ratchet.
What's up?
Who the fuck is that guy driving?
Oh, that's the Tank Hutch, motherfucker.
Oh, he's cool cat.
Alright, listen. The only way we're gonna get to him is we gotta get him lacking and catch one of them off guard and then use him as hostage.
Jeffy knows what to do.
Thank you.